May Mendoza update. Nag-Pilates session si May. Nandyan sa Powerhouse Pilates Green Hills. Sabi dito sa caption, Friday Flow with Miss May Mendoza. Building Strength 1 session. Friday, nag-Pilates si May. Iba-ibang posisyon. Fitness era si May. Flexible si May, no? Ang galing ni May, daming talent, pati sa pag-workout, no? Ito sa post ng bench, new fits, ni May, sabi, from slim to wide, it's a full serve. May Mendoza show how it done get her bench new fits today. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.